Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi barakatuhu. Everyone, my dear brothers and sisters, I hope you are all very well by the mercy of Allah. And Alhamdulillah, I am also very well. And today is the third day of my English video making journey. And today I will talk about all of my favorite food and fruits. So let's start our main video. I have so many type favorite food and fruits, and one of the most favorite food is biryani. I like biryani because the smells of biryani are so good and the tastes of biryani very delicious for me. Usually I eat biryani on my every special days like day of Eid, day of Friday, day of holiday, day of off day. So I have sometimes I like rice with chicken curry, sometimes I like rice with vegetable, sometimes I eat many other type of foods. What I do love to eat, and in my favorite fruit list is apple, mango, banana, etc. I have so many type of food and fruits. If I start tell to you one by one, this video will be more longer, but I do not want to make it more longer. I want to do small so that my dear brothers and sister, you can watch it full video and you are do not feel any bore, and you are enjoy this video. So that's all for today, and I have to finish this video, and I hope may Allah bless you with all the good food, good fruits, and good health. See you in the next video and tomorrow again, inshaAllah. Take care yourself and do something good for yourself, for your family, for your society, for your country, for the world also. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.